Alright guys, I just got my R1 Coatings box in the mail. I'm going to do this unboxing video for you right now, so let's check it out. Okay, we have some microfiber towels. These are nice and soft. Application instructions. I have a nice sticker. A permanent thanks to you. Check out their Facebook and Instagram. I'll do that. Become an R1 Coatings Pro today. That's pretty neat. And we got, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. I think I can handle this. This looks pretty fun. All right, let's see what else. We got more microfiber towels. And these look like the applicator blocks. All right, these are nice. Set those over there. The Revive and the Prep. Put those right over there. And this is the R1 Coatings Street Nano Ceramic. Okay, just gonna unbox that. Perfection made permanent. Look at that. Nice branding, nice packaging. Okay, let's put this over here. And what else? We have more microfiber towels, and these are really good, high quality. It looks really soft. Okay, we got some more. Just gonna put these over here. And that's it. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and get started. All right, guys, I just got done washing my car. Now I'm moving on to step 1, R1 Coatings Prep. Okay, I just got done prepping my car and now I'm moving on to the next step, applying the R1 Coatings Street. And I went ahead and put on some rubber gloves just to add a touch of safety. Alrighty, so it's been about 60 seconds and I'm seeing a bit of a rainbow haze, which is telling me it's time to get buffing. And then I'm just gonna flip my towel over and get rid of any excess. Okay, that was so easy. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of the car now. All right, I just finished coating my car and it looks so shiny and amazing. I'm so excited. Now we're gonna finish off with the very last step, R1 Coating Revive. All right, everyone, look at the amazing results. I did this all by myself. My car is so shiny now. Can you believe it? It was super easy and I made it happen. Thank you, R1 Coatings. I love my car. It just looks newer than new now.